The concept car was supposed to be the star of the Beijing Motor Show. Unfortunately, the show was cancelled due to a new wave of coronavirus, but Audi presented the car on schedule. The Audi Urbansphere was the third and final concept in the spherical trilogy, which was opened last year by the roadster Skysphere and the executive sedan Grandsphere. Big and expensive minivans are popular in China for a long time, and now we can expect a boom of electric minivans, where Audi certainly will take part. Development of the concept Urbansphere was conducted by studios in Ingolstadt and Beijing, considering certain wishes of local buyers. Though there were no such cars in Audi's range yet, the true size hides the successful proportions and 24-inch wheels. The door windows consist of two parts, their upper sectors are as if bent to the roof, making the car visually even lower. The Grandsphere sedan also had such a solution, and back then the developers announced that it would soon appear on the production cars. The front optics deserves another attention. The entire front section is made luminous. Cells pixels can light up in different colors and change brightness, forming a pattern of grille, large turn signals, or warning signs for pedestrians. The Urbansphere has the most spacious interior of any Audi vehicle in existence. However, there are only 4 individual seats with integrated safety belts and a wide range of adjustments. The front seats can be reversed and the rear seats can be made semi-reclining. The backs tilt 60 degrees backward. The upholstery is made of recycled material, and there's a center box in the back with glasses stored there. Autopilot of the 4th level is implied, capable in most cases managing without a driver's support. The wheel together with devices is removed inside the front panel. Instead of the usual LCD screens, projection on the wooden surface of the front panel and the windshield. There are individual screens for rear passengers, as well as a panoramic OLED display, which is installed on the ceiling and has a transparent backing. It is controlled by voice or gestures. The audio system is built into the headrests, and there are augmented reality glasses stored in the door pockets. On the doors, there are compact remote controls with a set of hot buttons and knobs for adjusting the temperature in the cabin. Also included are luminous Audi light umbrellas. As for technology, the Audi Urbansphere minivan is constructed on a promising modular platform PPE, Premium Platform Electric, which is developed by Volkswagen without reference to existing cars and will be used for large and expensive electric cars. The concept has an active air suspension and a fully steerable chassis. The underfloor traction battery has a capacity of 120 kW. The electrical system operates at 800 volts, and the charger supports power up to 270 kilowatts. The battery can be charged from 5% to 80% in 25 minutes when connected to such a DC terminal. The claimed mileage on a single charge is 750 kilometers. 2 electric motors, one on each axle, produce 400 horsepower and 690 Nm. Unfortunately, the Audi company did not say a word about the date of the production minivan. But if we consider the prospects of such a car in the Chinese market, the appearance of a luxury one vehicle in the Audi range seems very likely. Finally, large and expensive minivans branded Buick and Lexus have become a reality here long ago.